Flagships in 2026 all look exactly the same, curved glass slabs chasing identical trends. But Sony refuses to play by the rules, and this new Xperia 1 V8 is their boldest defiance yet. Let's see if it's an enthusiast dream or just beautifully stubborn. Sony says this phone is crafted to inspire, pulling visual cues straight from raw gemstones and natural textures. It genuinely feels less like a corporate glass block and more like a tool made for real creators. The new ORE design features nature-inspired colors: graphite black, iolite silver, garnet red, and native gold. They look stunningly understated, though I'll be honest, good luck actually finding that gold variant in stock worldwide. Looking at the design up close, the uniform texture flows seamlessly from the back to the sides. It gives you a phenomenal, secure grip, a refreshing change from today's dangerously slippery ultra-premium phones. Even their optional protective case is well thought out, using translucent materials that complement the phone's raw aesthetic. It packs a built-in stand for vertical or horizontal setups, plus a handy utility strap. The massive change here is the redesigned camera module, housing a telephoto sensor that's nearly 4 times larger than its predecessor. It's a huge hardware leap for better optical zoom quality, but visually it definitely adds a serious bump. Sony optimized the rear lens layout specifically for stable, two-handed landscape shooting. The shutter button sits right under your index finger, meaning no accidental finger smudges over the glass. Durability is top tier with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 up front and a custom-textured frosted glass back. Throw in IP65 and IP68 certification, and it's fully sealed against dust and serious downpours. Here is where Sony leaves everyone else in the dust: an uncompromising legacy design. You get a tool-free SIM and microSD tray, a real 3.5mm headphone jack, and a physical shutter button. Why can't other brands do this? Sony steps into modern computational photography with an AI camera assistant. Powered by Xperia intelligence, it scans subjects, scenes, and even weather to suggest optimal exposure and color shifts. The core 16, 24, and 70mm focal lengths use massive 48-megapixel sensors designed to mirror full-frame dynamic range. Sony revamped the telephoto setup to draw in massive light, making nighttime zoom shots genuinely usable. Let's look at the math. This new 48-megapixel 1.56-inch Exmor RS telephoto sensor is literally 4 times bigger than last year's. It delivers remarkable depth, proving that pure physics beats software trickery any day. For the photo purists, raw multi-frame processing is now active across all lenses, including the telephoto and selfie cameras. It stacks sequential raw images to slash low-light noise while keeping a flattering, unsmudged look. Sony covers everything with dedicated 16, 24, and 48mm lengths alongside its flexible telephoto zoom. Plus, every single rear glass element features a premium Zeiss T-Star anti-reflective coating to handle nasty lens flares. This setup gives you uncompromised creative framing all the way from an ultra-wide 16mm out to an impressive 140mm optical reach. No digital crop fuzziness, just clean focal versatility. Sony's updated bokeh mode mimics an actual full-frame camera lens rather than looking like a cheap filter cutout. It handles complex lighting and skin tones beautifully on both front and rear arrays. Leveraging specialized AI processing, the real-time tracking and IAF lock onto humans or animals instantly. If your subject moves, the focus stays glued to the eye without hunting. Macro photography gets a major upgrade here through tele-macro mode. You can shoot crazy close-ups using either the ultra-wide lens or the telephoto lens, exposing a new world of fine detail. This phone is deeply injected with Sony Alpha Camera DNA. We're talking up to 30 frames per second continuous burst shooting with flawless tracking and smooth 4K video at a blisteringly fast 120 frames per second. The Pro Photo and Pro Video interfaces are pulled directly from Sony's standalone Alpha mirrorless line. You get absolute manual authority over every metric, though beginners might find the learning curve slightly intimidating. It integrates perfectly into Sony's ecosystem, acting as an external high-res monitor for your Alpha mirrorless. You can control recording settings or upload field footage seamlessly to Creators Cloud. Moving to the display, Sony implements its premium Bravia TV color tuning directly onto the screen. The color accuracy and depth are exceptional, making traditional mobile panels look heavily oversaturated by comparison. Outdoor visibility is brilliant thanks to updated ambient light sensors and a tailored sunlight viewing mode. It handles harsh, midday sun effortlessly without washing out contrast. Sony skips the trendy, unequal speaker setups and retains true front-firing stereo hardware. This outputs balanced, immersive cinema audio directly facing you, widening the soundstage significantly. With no invasive punch holes or notches cutting into your media, you get a clean, uninterrupted canvas. It delivers a pure, uncompromised cinematic viewing experience right in your palm. Storage is a creative powerhouse's dream. Sony offers configurations scaling all the way up to 1 terabyte internally, along with expandable microSD support up to an extra 2 terabytes. Sony pairs a healthy 5,000 mAh capacity with excellent software optimizations to claim up to 2 days of regular battery life. In real-world testing, it easily powers through a heavy day of production. They've also implemented Xperia adaptive charging to actively preserve long-term battery longevity. Sony promises your total capacity will stay remarkably healthy for up to 4 full years of daily cycling. Naturally, you get convenient Qi wireless charging along with reverse wireless power sharing to top up your wireless earbuds on the go. Sony has significantly stepped up its long-term software commitment here. The phone comes with 4 major Android OS upgrades alongside 6 solid years of security patches. Driving the phone is the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite platform. App switching is immediate, frame rates are perfectly fluid, and systemic lag is entirely non-existent. To tame that raw processing power, Sony completely revamped the internal cooling structures. It handles heavy processing longer without instantly dialing down brightness or thermal throttling. For competitive gaming, this hardware package delivers top-tier performance all around. Input response feels hyper-reactive, backed by a highly optimized 240 Hz touch sampling rate. The native Game Enhancer engine includes a dedicated FPS Optimizer utility. It forces steady, predictable frame pacing to eliminate micro-stutters during intense, chaotic teamfights. Utilizing Snapdragon Elite Gaming features, the graphical fidelity is stunning. You get desktop-level lighting effects and real-time ray tracing support right inside mobile titles.
Audio is where Sony takes a massive win. The upgraded full-stage stereo speakers feature a complete physical chamber overhaul. They produce actual chest punch and wide stereo separation without sounding thin or tinny. This phone inherits premium audio circuitry tuned by the legendary WALKMAN engineering team. It handles native high-resolution decoding seamlessly, appealing directly to discerning audiophiles. Utilizing a dedicated high-tier internal amplifier integrated circuit, the physical headphone jack outputs clean power. It drives demanding studio monitors effortlessly, delivering excellent dynamic punch. If you go wireless, the Bluetooth stability is rock solid. It supports ultra-high bandwidth codecs like LDAC and aptX Adaptive to ensure wireless music doesn't lose its fidelity. Sony includes its AI-powered DSSE Ultimate upscaling system. It analyzes compressed, low-quality streaming files in real time, restoring lost high-frequency details and punch. With official Dolby Atmos tuning and high-res audio certification across both wired and wireless links, it covers every high-end acoustic standard available. Look, the Xperia One Mark VIII isn't for everyone. It's expensive, complex, and ignores mainstream design trends. But if you're a creator who values expandable storage, premium audio, and absolute manual control, this phone stands completely alone. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next review.